Okay, so I need to show you something, because if you're like me, you probably got ChatGPT open in one tab, Claude in another tab, Gemini somewhere else, and these multiple tabs will probably slow down your PC. And the funny thing is that you're actually paying for all these tools that you have open on these tabs. But imagine having all of these AI tools that you need for your work on a single website. Every top AI model in one single workspace. No multiple tabs, no extra subscriptions. That is what I just found. So the name of the platform is called i10x. When I first came across this website, I honestly wasn't sure what to expect until I tried it out. But after testing it out for a bit, I realized this might actually be one of the most practical AI tools I've used in a while. And the cool part is it doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. It just gives you every single AI tool or AI agent that you already use on a single website. So when you log in, you instantly get access to all the major AI models: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, even some I hadn't tried before. Instead of paying $20 each and every month for each of these AI tools, i10x just bundles them under one affordable plan starting from about $8 a month. And that's already saving you a lot of money right here. Now, the real magic is what they have added on top. You just access over 500 built-in AI tools that you need for your work. We have one for writing, one for image generation, design, marketing, legal work, and business tax. You name it, it literally has each and every AI tool that you need for your work. So instead of going for a dozen different websites and opening multiple tabs on your browser to slow down your PC, you just open i10x and it's all right there. One thing that really stood out to me is the chat arena. It lets you test different models side by side, so you can ask the same questions to ChatGPT, Claude, and see which one gives you a better answer instantly. Isn't this amazing? We're going to click on start now, and right here you could see that we are in an AI chat and we have a bunch of tools here. You have image generator, we have chat with your documents, compare LLMs, professional email writer. Now let's take a look at the chat arena. It works similar to ChatGPT and all the AI models you know. So to use the chat arena, we're going to select chat arena right here, and you can see I'm going to select a model right here. So let me go through and select a model, ChatGPT 5 mini. So I'm going to go on the right side and also select, let's say, DeepSeek version 2. Now I'm going to paste in a simple prompt. It says pick two models, ask one question, and compare output instantly. So I'm then going to write a short YouTube intro, let's say about how to make money online. All right, so I'm going to click on enter, and you can see that both models are generating the answers for me. You can best select the one that is okay for you or the one that looks awesome for you. Okay, so you can proceed with asking questions for both models to answer, which is very simple to do if you're someone that likes using ChatGPT, DeepSeek. They also have cross-model memory, which basically means it remembers the contents even if you switch between models. Super handy for long projects and ongoing chats. If you're like me who likes customizing stuff, you can even create your own agent or chatbot inside the workspace. That's next level. I've been using it mainly for scripting my videos, writing descriptions, and testing AI generated ideas faster. For example, I'll brainstorm a YouTube topic in ChatGPT, test it again in Claude to get different angles, generate thumbnails or captions, all without switching tabs. Isn't this amazing? It actually makes your work flow more smoother and makes your browser look clean and tidy. Let's head on to the AI chat, and right here I'm going to paste in a simple prompt. It says write a YouTube intro for Kriya AI, and I'm going to type in and click on enter. It's going to think about the question and then give me a suitable output right here. Once the output is complete, you can then select another model and change it. Because of the memory feature that it has, it's going to remember the previous conversations from the old model or the previous model. So you can go through. Let's move on to the chat arena as well, which I tested out way back in the video. Now you could select ChatGPT 5, and right here I'm going to select Gemini 4.1 mini and paste in another prompt as well. You could see these are simple prompts and we are just testing out the tools. It gives you different outcome and you stick with the one that you like. So that is what I love about this website. Okay, so let's go to AI image. Here we have a bunch of models. Here we have Nano Banana, ChatGPT, Flux Pro, and they have a bunch of it. Let's head on to deep research right here, and here we'll be using Perplexity Sonar Pro, and you can ask a simple question and it's going to think deep. Now we have a PDF where you can chat with your PDF documents. You have AI video where you can generate AI videos, and we have all these tools on one single website that you can explore. Unlike opening multiple tabs that would make your PC run slow. You can put in prompts here, upload an image to turn it into a video. You can select the resolution to 1080p, and that is i10x for you. So if you want to try it for yourself, I've got a special link in the description. Plus, you get to save 15% with my code EJ15. That is the code. Just head to the link below, sign up, and you will instantly get access to all the top AI models and 500 plus tools. AI tools in one single place or one single website. Honestly, it is one of the tools that just actually makes sense when you use AI tools daily. It's affordable and simple, and everything is under one roof. You don't need to open multiple tabs on your browser to make your PC run slow. My name is El Jones, and here on this channel I bring you AI tools, tech tutorials, and online side hustles that you can try out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you do your best and then subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description to the website i10x, and you need to sign up. Trust me, it's the best investment you could possibly try out. Peace.